Hey, I'm Mike Halleck.
And I'm Bob DiPietro, and we're here in West Kingston, Rhode Island at the Rhode Island Mushroom Company. Always had a passion for food. And so one day I quit my job and I enrolled in cooking school. And that began about a 35-year career in the food industry. So I've been everything from a chef to a maitre d', to an owner, to manager.
I went to Berklee College of Music, graduated, and then my wife, I got married literally that year, and we moved to New York City, ended up being the head of international tour marketing for Sony, BMG, and international. And I was just kind of getting burnt out from the scene. So from there, I moved back to Rhode Island, and I found a job at a farm working for Harry Chase at Chase Farms in Middletown, Rhode Island. And I worked there for 3 or 4 months. It kind of changed my perspective in my life. What I saw was this community connection that I was able to create. We built our initial greenhouse, which is 800 square feet. There we started growing a lot more mushrooms. And ever since then, I mean, it's been, 4 years now, and we were selling about 40 pounds of mushrooms the first week. Now we sell closer to 20,000 pounds a week, and it's been about 4 years. So anyway, what we started growing was oysters, gold oysters, blue oysters, pepinos. Eventually moved into gold oysters, pepinos, blue oysters, shiitake, maitake, lion's mane.
Rhode Island is a very small state, but it has a lot of farms in it. There's a lot of local food available.
So specifically healthcare, I think it's one of the reasons we got into this is high quality food and making it available to people. Specifically mushrooms, one of the healthiest things that we can put in our body. The other thing to consider is the region is targeted to grow 50% of its food by 2060. That will never happen if we don't take a leadership role to invest in companies that are successfully moving towards that goal.
I think that the institutions really have the potential of having a larger impact on the local farming community than just about any other sector. Because they buy in such volume, the kind of revenue that they would provide to local agriculture would have an immediate impact and allow everyone to grow.